It was a sunny Saturday afternoon and I was on the beach. The wind was blowing hard. I was relaxing, enjoying the beautiful view, when something that looked familiar but not quite familiar caught my eye. There was a tree loaded with some type of fruit, and strange enough to me they looked so familiar. I started thinking clearly this fruit must be poisonous because no one was looking at them. It reminded me of grapes. Every branch was loaded to a no smell. I noticed a few was turning brown and some was yellow. I was thinking, I'm sure I've seen these somewhere before. While I was deep in thought, this big man came out. The big man asked me what were these, and then it hit me. Sea grapes. I remember one of my followers telling me about them. I just said them the delicious. I'd love to tell you I just start pick them and eat them off of the tree. But I wasn't so brave. I googled it and found a man eating them by the dozen. Oh, so them can't actually eat? Quickly scanned the saving post and videos after that, and the man is still alive. Boy, it turned out that them I could have actually eat after all. I stood for a minute walking and looking if I could have find any ripe ones. I still couldn't find the courage to actually eat one of them.